Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about
the previous gate question.
right next question. See here, a 20 pole alternator is having 180 identical stator slots. What is that? 180 identical stator slots with 6 conductors in each slot. 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 All coils of a phase are in series. All coils of a phase are in series. If the coils are connected to realize single phase winding, the generated voltage is V1. If the coils are reconnected to realize 3-phase star connection, the generating voltage is V2. Assuming full pitch single layer winding, then find V1 divided by V2. V1 by V2 is equals to how much it is? Yeah, tell me. Generally, this is the problem like we already saw in previous question. This is the problem like EMF per phase in single phase to the EMF per phase in 3 phase. EMF per phase in single phase to the 3 phase. For this, I given you one formula already. What is the formula? Have you? For single phase, M beta is equals to 180 by 1. For 3 phase, M beta is equals to 180 by 3. So, what is the formula for this? Sin M beta by 2. What is M beta? 180 by 2. Sin 180 by 2 divided by sin M beta by 2. Sin 60 by 2. Multiplied with its M beta. What is M beta for this? 60 divided by what is M beta for this? 180. It's an answer. No need to go like we have to find out the conductor, we have to find out the EMF for single phase, then after 3 phase. No need to do all. Actually, we have the formula. So now tell me what is the answer? Yeah, sin 90 is the 1. And what is the value here? Sin 60 by 2. Sin 60 by 2 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 multiplied divided by 61, 63 is 1 by 3. And again we have to find out EMF, right? So we have to multiply with number of turns. What is the formula actually? The EMF is directly proportional to KD into number of turns. Now tell me, what is the number of turns for this? The T phase is the T by 1. And what is the number of turns for this? T by 3. EMF directly proportional to KD into T. So tell me, what is the answer? This T gets cancelled, is 3 by 1. So what is the answer? 3 gets cancelled. So our answer is 2. Very simple question. See, just once again see here how we are doing like this. Once again see here clearly. For this we have a formula. E is directly proportional to KD into T. Multiplied by T. For this, sin M beta by 2. Divided by sin M beta by 2. For this M beta 60 degrees. For this M beta 180 degrees. multiplied by m beta of this one 60 degrees and m beta of this one 180 degrees multiplied by number of tons per phase T by 1, number of tons per phase T by 3. T gets cancelled once or thrice. So what is your answer? 1 divided by 1 by 2 multiplied with 1 by 3 multiplied with 3 by 1. 3 gets cancelled. So our answer is 2. So V1 by V2. This is the formula for V1 by V2. This is our answer. V1 by V2 is equals to 2. Simply is equals to 2.